So once you've connected up your sales channel and bookkeeping account, the next step is going to be the tax wizard. Now, following on from my example where I connected an eBay account, I'm going to go through the eBay tax wizard, which is roughly the same as the Amazon tax wizard and any other sales channels that we're going to add in the future. So the process is pretty similar. So the first step is to assign an account to each of our transaction categories. So what we do is we show all the transaction categories on the left, the type of transaction that it is, and then we provide you with a set of default accounts, which if you accept, we will add into your chart of accounts. Now, most people accept these because it means that all the data that comes from Link My Books is really easy to identify inside of your bookkeeping system. But it is entirely up to you. You can, of course, choose any accounts that you want if you already have some set up in your chart of accounts. So in my example, I'm going to accept the defaults and I'm going to move on to the next step. The second step is to say whether your company is registered for VAT. In my instance, I'm going to say my company is registered for VAT. And in the third step, we need to know if you sell any zero rated or reduced rated products for UK VAT. So in my example, I'm going to say that I don't sell these, but just so that you know, we do have the functionality for those as well. So I'm going to say I only sell the products that are standard rate. Now, if you're a QuickBooks user, you'll also need to tell us where eBay deposits the funds into and where they take them from if it's a negative balance on your seller account. In this example, I have eBay as the sole marketplace. If you were selling on Amazon, then you would have all the different marketplaces. We'll select the positive bank account. So in this case, it's going into my GBP bank account. If eBay charge my account because I've run out of funds, then they will take that from my Amex card I'm going to use in this example. But you can choose between any bank accounts and any credit cards that come into QuickBooks because we pull them all in and put them in these lists. So I'm going to choose my Amex card and move to the final step. And then in the last step, we're going to confirm the tax rates, which the wizard has put together based on our answers so far. So first of all, we're going to have a look at the pre-Brexit tax rates and make sure all of those apply for the different types of tax groups. So you've got sales shipped to the UK and EU, etc., etc. So you can check those with your accountant. Then you've got post-Brexit sales. Again, same applies. They're split out into these different categories. If you have any questions about what these categories are, you can hover over each of these little information things and we'll tell you what they are. So you can select those tax rates and then fees and other transactions. So again, just double check these with your accountant. And then once you've done that, you can tick, I've confirmed the tax rates with my accountant and click confirm. And that is it. You're now complete.